In this video we can see how to filter stocks from one date to another date in Python using nsepy module. You can see that I opened Colab, which is an online Python notebook, just like Jupyter Notebook. You can try this code even in Jupyter Notebook, it will work. First we'll import nsepy library and files library. In Python we have separate cells. It is better to run codes in separate cells than as an entire code. When you try this code, try it using Jupyter Notebook or even using Colab. I've given the code link for the GitHub link for the code below in the below description. You can try it from that directly. First you must install the required libraries as given here. First we are going to install nsepy, then files library. You can click on the play icon to run the code, and the required libraries get installed. And then now I'll explain the code. In this code, from the nsepy library, we're going to import a module node history. From that we're going to get a function that get price list, which returns the bow copy for a given date. Bow copy is like the price list of all the stocks on NSE on a particular date. You can see that we are given the date as 5/5/2021. On a particular date we'll get a list, price list of all the stocks. Not only the price list, the open, high, close, low, and the number of trades that have been processed. Every data is can be got, and we are going to store it in a particular variable as a data frame. And then we are going to do this similarly for the three dates. One, that is the start date, which is the date from which we are going to track. Then that's the today date. Today date is like the date, present date, or the week date that you wish to track. And a week before price. Week before price is like used to check the trend, whether the trend is growing or whether it's decreasing. A week before that. And from the given data frame we are gonna take away only the symbol open, high, low, close. Reason to take this alone is it returns a lot of value, and we require only these four values in order to go with the filtering process. Once we have processed this, then we are going to reset the index so that the index get reset, and then we are going to set the symbol as index. The reason for this is that instead of using symbol as index as 1 2 3 4 5 6, if you use the symbol name, that is the stock name, as index, we can easily traverse through and get the values, and it's be easy for comparison. I'll run the code. Once the code is run, it outputs the value as shown below. This is how a data frame looks like. It's like similar to a SQL table and a Excel sheet. Just like that, we'll get a table. This is how a data frame looks like. This is the data frame of the filtration process that we have done, which shows that like the stock's name with the open, high, close values. Now once we have gotten the data value of the stocks, next cell we'll do the filtration process, wherein this filtration process will create an empty list. In this list we'll fill in with list of stocks that satisfy our condition. We have created a condition wherein we have created a change variable that takes in the change percentage from start value that we have set till the end value that we have given. It takes in the change value in terms of percentage. It may be like 0.6 means 60% change from the start date to the end date. That is 60% the stock has been changed from the start date, which we have given above, that is 5/5, which is 5th of May of 2021, till the end date, that is 10th June 2021. Till this in this time frame, the stock has changed from moved 60% above. Once our change condition as the stocks, we are going to traverse to the entire symbol, that is the entire stocks from one date to the from the start date to the end date, and we are going to get in the values. You can see here I have given another code about the start value, wherein we can set the start value stocks which are less than 70. That is, you can filter the stocks which are less than 70 rupees from the start date, and based on that stocks you can filter it that the stocks which have changed a lot percentage. And not only that, here we have given the change percentage as 0.6%, that is 60% change. You can give it above or you can give it below the change percentage. You can change it and test the code with it. Other than that, once the check condition is satisfied and the stocks which are satisfying a check condition will return it as an array name data, the list name data, and will append it to the CK list. Once this entire for loop gets completed, we'll get an entire list of stocks which have changed more than 60% in a given time frame. Once that data is got, we have changed that list into a data frame and give it the index value stocks May price, week price, June price, percentage change. This data frame just looks like the below table as shown below. You can see that the stocks which have changed more than 60% is given below. The print new.head.10 returns only the top 10 stocks which have the highest change percentage for during the given percentage. If you want to download this file as an Excel file, we have also given the option for that. Below we have converted the data into an Excel file and we have downloaded it. Once this code gets run, it will generate an Excel file which gets downloaded to your local file explorer system. You can open it and it shows the values like this. You can see that the same values that that reported before that have been converted into an Excel file. I'll give the link for this code in the below description. You can download it from the GitHub repository or try it directly from the GitHub repository. If you have any doubts regarding the code, you can please comment below. Thank you.